Hello everyone, we two besties are back with another episode of Hashtime with BFF, and this time we are here to talk and share our insights about the most popular show in the whole world. This show is fun, has a lot of sarcasm, and the sense of humor is on peaks. There can be no one who doesn't like the show, I bet, and it's never boring to binge watch it.
I hope you all made your guesses about which show we are talking. Yes, guys, it's Friends which we are talking about today in our episode. I know this show is like film back in 90s, but even now in our 20s we can relate because of the story, the bond, direction, and the main thing is the content, which is just amazing.
So, Sindhu, I want to know who is your favorite character?
Definitely, Rakshita, my favorite character has to be Rachel. She's got a very complicated character though, but she cares about trends, which leads her to be constantly aware of her surroundings.
Yes, she works in fashion industry, so it's only natural for her to act that way.
Yes, that's right. And also, Rachel thinks with her heart. She cares deeply for her friends and pays attention to their emotions, right? So that was about my favorite character on this show. So Rakshana, I want to know, who was your favorite?
Let me tell. I love everyone in the show, but my favorite has to be Chandler because, nobody could never get bored when he's around in the show. His sarcastic jokes are mind-blowing. There is no favorite episode or character for me in the show because everything from season 1 to season 10, it's so good. Like, it cannot be replaced. And I have binge-watched Friends like anything.
That's true. And also, Chandler is quite outspoken and sarcastic quips as he constantly jokes around and pokes fun of his friends.
Yes, he's probably one of the most spontaneous characters out of the group, and also his relationship with Janice. Oh my god, you remember? It's like on and off throughout most of the seasons in the show.
Yeah, and also Joey, oh my god, he could not be more extroverted individual, no? Like, he constantly gets himself into new social situations because of his occupation as an actor.
Yes. And through the show also, because he's an actor, the director would get a good content. The content is amazing. Every episode it's new. We would be expecting, okay, what is going to happen in this episode? So when I watched Friends for the first time, I was like more excited. It's amazing. And also emotions definitely drive Joey, I feel. He's always like with full of energy. He's like a party to a life. He also feels he is a party, and even we should agree, right? He is a party for a life.
Yeah.
And Ross is like a very shy and conservative person who keeps to himself, especially during his college times, when he had a secret crush on Rachel. You remember?
Yeah, secret crush. Yes, and also Ross tends to make decisions with his heart, which leads to emotional pain and heartache most of the time.
Yes, because he had 2 failed marriages in the show.
Yeah.
And for a sensitive person like Ross to deal with 2 failed marriages, he lost a job. It's difficult. I understand.
Yes, and also we cannot forget that Ross was kind of loyal too. But moving on, how can we forget Monica? She definitely draws her energy from others and a constant desire to control and manage her friends' actions.
Yes, managing her friend's action remind me of a situation where she controlled Rachel's love life. Yes, it defines Monica. She takes control. Details define everything for her because as she's a head chef also, no, she's very in control and she's detail oriented.
Yeah, and more than anything, Monica is on order and schedules. You will never know the apartment out of order or dirty while she is there. And you can always count on Monica to get the job done.
Yes, and did you know this one thing, Sindhu? Like, when the audition happened for Friends, no, Monica was auditioned for Rachel's character and Rachel for Monica. But then, don't
Oh,
know what happened. They changed it during the shooting, and I feel that was for the good.
oh, really? Like, okay, I did not know about this. And yeah, it happened for good because both have justified their character now.
Yes, and they fit perfectly for their character. And
Hmm.
also, Phoebe is one of the people who could talk to anyone about anything. She gets her energy through talking and singing. Uh, she has these kind of abstract ideas that she come up with all of a sudden. Like, she's another replica of Chandler in a show.
Absolutely. Like, how can you forget? Our imagination is incredible. Just listen to any of her songs or take a trip in her own dollhouse, which she's created out of shoeboxes, an aroma room, and a bubble machine. Just like Chandler, she's very spontaneous in all aspects of her lifestyle.
Yes, so she saw the dollhouse of Monica's, which their parents had given, I guess. So, or maybe the grandmother, and she had replicated the same with her on her own, which is amazing.
Yeah, and like all characters in the show are given equal importance, and everyone is a hero. And what an outstanding performance everyone has showed off. Hollywood celebrities have come on the show, and that says a lot.
Yes, coming to the Hollywood celebrities, I remember there are many Hollywood celebrities who have come to the show, but I remember one episode where Chandler will be stuck in a ATM with Jill. I do not remember her full name, but Jill on a blackout day. So when that was the first time when a celebrity came to the show, and I hope that all the audiences who are watching like us would be like, oh my god, like celebrities on the show. It's amazing show.
Yes, and apart from the main characters, like whatever we spoke about, apart from them, is there any of your favorites?
Definitely Sindhu, and it should be Janice, and also Gunther, who works in the coffee place and also crazy about Rachel. And I like Emily, who's from London, Ross's second wife.
Yeah, and also Rose's parents, how cool they are, and Monica's boyfriend Richard's presence, and Pete, how stubborn he used to be, and also we cannot forget Carol and Susan, are other beautiful characters in the show.
True, true. It's amazing.
Yes, and now it's time. So let's see who is a huge fan of Friends show, right? So guys, we are going to test ourselves by asking each other few questions to know how much we know about the show.
Yes, and I'm very excited to have this part in our episode today. So we have made few questions for ourselves. Like I have made questions for Sindhu, and she has done it for me. So we are going to ask ourselves and see like how much we really know Friends, and I want to beat her in this quiz. So
And I'm also excited too. Let's see who gives the tough competition.
yes. So I'm going easy on you, okay? The first question it's very easy, and I know you will get it. So
Mhm.
here you go, Simple. How many babies did Phoebe carry for her brother?
Oh,
Easy,
that's
it's
so
very
easy. It's three.
right, right. Okay,
Okay.
come on, ask me. I wanna answer everything right.
Yes. So the question from my side to Rakshita would be the first one. So what was the name of Ross monkey?
Marcel.
Yes, that's right. Okay, let's see how it goes.
Okay. What is the name of Joy's soap opera?
I think this is also is easy for me. So it's Days of Our Lives.
Right, right, right. Come on, okay, start. Ask me the next question.
Okay, I think both of them are like giving a tough competition. Let's see. So the next question for Rakshita is, okay, that's about my favorite character. So name one of the designers Rachel works for.
I can name two. One is Bloomingdale's. She got promoted. She got a new job at Ralph Lauren.
Whoa,
Right?
that's right. Absolutely.
Okay. This might be little like moderate, difficult for you. What is the full name? Okay, I need the full name of the actress who plays Phoebe.
Okay, I think I should know, but I'm not sure about the full name. Okay, let me think, as we don't have any time lapse, right? The
Yes.
first name is Lisa, right?
Yes.
Lisa.
I need the full name.
Yeah, I know. I'm just thinking about it. So, it should be Lisa Kudrow.
Yes. It's
Yeah.
going. Yeah, right. It's a tie so far. Let's see.
Yeah, let's
see
see
the
what's going down. Okay, next question for you, Rakshita. Who teaches Rachel and Phoebe about Unagi?
Ross.
Right. I think it's
Okay.
getting tough. Let's see how it
Okay.
goes.
So, you remember the Geller Cup in the episode?
Oh yeah, I know it's
like a-
football. You don't have to complete your question.
Yes, it was for the football. You're right. Okay, tell me. Next one.
I eased it. Okay, the next question. Where do Phoebe and Mike get married?
What a beautiful and a dreamy wedding one can have, Sindhu, outside of Central Park in the middle of winter season in snow. It's so good. It's like beautiful romantic wedding that I have ever seen.
Yes, that's true. It was a beautiful wedding.
Yes. Here we go. The next one. This might be little difficult for you, but let's see. There is a female paleontologist like both Ross and Joey date, right? I need the name of that girl.
The girl's name.
Mhm.
Where both Ross and Joy date, right?
Yes.
Charlie.
Yes. Right.
Okay. Okay. So the next question for you is, how many sisters does Joey have?
7.
Right. Right.
Okay. So, Chandler tells Janice that he has been relocated just to avoid her. Can you tell which place he tells to Janice that he's going for just to avoid her? Do you remember the place? He actually buy the flight tickets and he actually fly to that place. I was about to tell the place name, but no.
Rakshita is being so helpful for me. She's giving me the hints as well.
Yes.
It's like I have the name on the tip of my tongue, but
You give up?
it's- No, wait. There's no time lapse, no. It should be Yemen. Yemen.
Yes, it's Yemen.
Oh,
Right.
thankfully. Yeah, guys, just to mention, I think Rakshita know much about it, so I'm really trying to give a tough competition because I do not want to give.
Yes, because I'm a huge Friends fan, guys.
Yes. Okay, so the next question for Rakshita is, why is Ross suspended from his job at the museum?
Because he was angry with his boss and he eats raw sandwich. He yells at him. He says, "It's my sandwich." Everybody remember that episode.
Right.
So the next question, Sindhu, I think it's going to be difficult for you, and I think I can have a win here. Not sure. So what is the name of the neighbor who leaves everything to Monica and Rachel when he dies? You can take your time.
Okay, but I cannot take time till our next episode though. I should tell it now. I think this is very tricky. You know about me. That's why you said this might be difficult for me. I think I don't want to give more of silence. I think I'm giving up.
Okay, maybe it's a win for me. Let's see. And it's Heckles.
Oh yeah, but yeah,
Remember?
I would have.
It's Heckles, yes.
Okay, guys. Now Raksha is in leading. Fine. Okay, the next question for you is, what type of birds do Joey and Chandler own?
Chicken the duck.
Right?
Okay, the last question for you from my end. I think it's you end the quiz, right? So in case if you get this, okay, even if you don't get this, I have won it.
Yes.
Okay, but still I'm gonna
But-
ask you the last question. We have discussed this in the previous, like when we were discussing the other characters. It's easy, I guess. So what
Mhm.
was the full name of Monica's boyfriend who tried to become the ultimate fighting champion?
It's Pete Baker.
Yes, right?
Awesome. So
My God, it was like a fun quiz, right?
I was so conscious to get all the answers right. As a
I know.
you would know that I'm a huge fan of Friends, and we are excited to know who's your favorite character or episode from the show. So please let us know in the comment section below, and we would love to read them.
And if you would like to write back to us, you can do that on any social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, #TimeWithBFF.